Now give your course a full name, a short name, and choose the category you want it to be inside. You can choose the show to enable the course to be visible to the public or hide if you are still under development. You can choose start date and end date, give your course a description, and set a preview photo for the course. Here you can change the file of the preview photo if you want. And you can basically leave the rest as default, but if you want to change the format of your course display, you can choose from the list here under the course format. And you can see different difference among these formats if you click the question mark beside format. And then if you want to enable your users to mark the activities or resources as complete on themselves, you can mark it as yes here. That's it. Hope it helps you to finish edit basic setting of your course.